When we want good relationships, we sometimes face problems and feel confused. But if we follow Buddhism, we can find comfort and advice to solve these issues. In this video, we will discuss about 10 Buddhism lessons that can change your relationship and solve all your problems. So let's start this journey together and learn few things. Number 1, be present and focus on what's happening now. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in worries about the future or dwell on past events. However, Buddhism teaches us the importance of being fully present in the here and now. When it comes to relationships, being present means giving your undivided attention to your partner and the current moment by practicing mindfulness. In your relationship, you can cultivate a deeper sense of connection and intimacy. When you are fully present, you are more attuned to your partner's needs, emotions, and desires, which allows you to respond with empathy and understanding. Creating a stronger bond between you. Being present also means letting go of distractions that can hinder genuine connection. Put aside your phone, turn off the TV, and create sacred space for quality time together. By focusing on what's happening now, you can engage in meaningful conversations, share experiences, and create lasting memories. Lesson Number 2, show kindness and understanding to others. Kindness and understanding are the pillars of any healthy relationship. Buddhism teaches us to approach others with compassion and empathy. Recognizing that we are all interconnected, when we extend kindness to our partners, we create an environment of love and acceptance in relationships. It is crucial to show kindness, not only through grand gestures, but also in the small acts of everyday life. Simple acts of thoughtfulness, such as preparing a favored meal or offering a comforting embrace, can go a long way in nurturing a loving bond. Understanding is another essential aspect of building a strong relationship. Buddhism teaches us to cultivate deep listening and empathy for others. When we truly understand our partner's perspectives, struggles, and desires, we can respond with compassion rather than judgment. Practicing kindness and understanding requires patience and selflessness. It means putting aside our own ego and prioritizing the well-being of our partner. By fostering an atmosphere of kindness and understanding, we create space for open communication, forgiveness, and growth. When conflicts arise, approaching them with kindness and understanding can lead to resolution and healing, instead of reacting with anger or defensiveness. Take a moment to pause and consider your partner's point of view. Seek common ground and work together towards finding solutions that benefit both of you. By being present and focusing on the current moment, we can deepen our connection with our partner. Showing kindness and understanding cultivates a loving environment where problems can be approached with empathy and compassion. Let these lessons guide you on your journey towards a harmonious and fulfilling relationship. Lesson Number 3, accept that everything changes over time. Change is an inevitable life, and this truth is at the core of Buddhist teachings in relationships. It is crucial to embrace the concept of impermanence and accept that everything, including ourselves and our partners, will evolve and transform over time. When we resist change or cling to fixed expectations, we create unnecessary suffering and strain in our relationships. Instead, by cultivating an attitude of acceptance, we can navigate the ever-changing nature of our connections with grace. And understanding acceptance allows us to let go of unrealistic ideals and embrace the reality of our relationship as it unfolds. It means acknowledging that both individuals will go through ups and downs, experience personal growth, and encounter external factors that influence the dynamics between them. By accepting change, we free ourselves from the burden of trying to control or manipulate our partner's journey. We learn to appreciate the beauty of imperfection and find joy in the flow of life's experiences together. Furthermore, accepting change opens the door to adaptability and flexibility within the relationship. As circumstances shift, we can adjust our expectations and find new ways to connect and support each other. This willingness to adapt fosters resilience and strengthens the foundation of our partnership. It is important to note that acceptance does not imply complacency or resignation. It means recognizing the need for growth and evolution while embracing the present moment. By accepting change, we create space for open communication, exploration, and shared aspirations in times of difficulty or transition. The practice of acceptance can provide solace and guidance. It reminds us that challenges are temporary and that we have the capacity to navigate them with resilience and compassion. By accepting change, We can approach problems as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. By letting go of rigid expectations and embracing the fluidity of life, we can cultivate a deep sense of understanding, adaptability, and appreciation for our partners. Through acceptance, we can navigate the ever-changing journey of love with grace and wisdom. Lesson Number 4. Release your strong desire for certain things or people. Desire is a powerful force that can shape our thoughts, actions, and relationships. In Buddhism, attachment and craving are seen as sources of suffering in the context of relationships. It is essential to recognize and release our strong desires for specific outcomes or expectations. When we cling tightly to our desires, we create a sense of dependency and place undue pressure on ourselves and our partners. This can lead to disappointment, frustration, and conflict. By practicing non-attachment, we free ourselves from the constraints of rigid expectations and open the door to greater peace and contentment. Releasing strong desires does not mean becoming indifferent or apathetic towards our relationships. Instead, it involves cultivating a mindset of openness and acceptance. It means acknowledging that our happiness and fulfillment do not solely rely on external factors or the actions of others. By letting go of attachment to specific outcomes, we create space for genuine connection and growth. We learn to appreciate and love our partners for who they are, rather than trying to mold them into our idealized versions. This allows for a more authentic and harmonious relationship. Releasing strong desires also allows us to be present in the moment and fully appreciate the beauty of each experience. When we let go of the need for things or people to be a certain way, we can embrace the present moment with gratitude and acceptance. This mindset fosters a deeper sense of connection and joy within our relationship. Moreover, releasing strong desires enables us to cultivate a sense of inner freedom. We become less dependent on external factors for our happiness and fulfillment. Instead, we learn to find contentment within ourselves and develop a deeper understanding of our own needs and desires. Practicing non-attachment in relationships requires self-awareness and mindfulness. It involves observing our desires without judgment and consciously choosing to release them. This process may involve reflection, meditation, and self-reflection to uncover the underlying motivations behind our desires. By cultivating non-attachment, we free ourselves from the constraints of rigid expectations and open the door to greater peace, contentment, and genuine connection with our partners. Letting go of attachment allows us to embrace the present moment with gratitude and acceptance, fostering a deeper sense of joy and fulfillment within. Number 5. Speak and listen with care and thoughtfulness. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. In Buddhism, the power of speech is emphasized, highlighting the importance of using words wisely and compassionately. When it comes to relationships, speaking and listening with care and thoughtfulness can greatly enhance understanding and harmony. Speaking with care means being mindful of the words we choose and their impact on our partner. It involves expressing ourselves honestly and respectfully, avoiding harsh or hurtful language. By practicing compassionate communication, we create an atmosphere of trust and safety within our relationship. When conflicts arise, it is crucial to approach discussions with a calm and non-confrontational attitude. Taking the time to reflect on our own emotions before speaking allows us to express ourselves more effectively. By speaking from a place of understanding and empathy, we can communicate our needs and concerns in a way that promotes constructive dialogue. Equally important is the practice of active listening. With care means giving our full attention to our partner without judgment or interruption. It involves being fully present in the conversation and seeking to understand their perspective. By listening attentively, we validate our partner's feelings and create space for them to express themselves openly. Thoughtful listening also involves being aware of our own biases and preconceptions. By setting aside assumptions and truly hearing our partner's words, we can foster deeper connection and mutual understanding. This allows for more meaningful conversations and the resolution of conflicts in a respectful manner. Practicing mindful communication requires patience, empathy, and self-awareness. It involves being attuned to our own emotions and triggers as well as those of our partner. By cultivating a mindset of curiosity and genuine interest in our partner's thoughts and feelings, we create a strong foundation for effective communication. By choosing our words wisely, expressing ourselves honestly, yet respectfully, and actively listening to our partner's perspective, we create an environment of open communication and understanding. Mindful communication allows us to navigate conflicts with compassion and find resolutions that strengthen our connection lesson. Number 6. Be patient and accept differences in others. In any relationship, it is inevitable that differences will arise. Each person brings their unique background, beliefs, and perspectives to the table. Buddhism teaches us the importance of cultivating patience and accepting these differences with an open heart. Being patient means allowing space for growth and understanding. It involves recognizing that change takes time and that everyone has their own journey. By practicing patience, we can navigate challenges and conflicts with a sense of calm and compassion. Accepting differences in others is about embracing diversity and celebrating individuality. It means acknowledging that each person has their own strengths, weaknesses, and ways of thinking. By accepting these differences, we create an environment of respect and inclusivity within our relationships. When faced with differences, it is essential to approach them with curiosity and a willingness to learn, rather than trying to change or control the other person. We can seek to understand their perspective and find common ground. This fosters a sense of mutual respect and allows for the growth of both individuals within the relationship. Practicing patience and acceptance also requires self-reflection and introspection. It involves examining our own biases and prejudices and challenging them with an open mind. By cultivating self-awareness, we can approach differences in others with empathy and understanding. Furthermore, being patient and accepting differences allows us to embrace the beauty of diversity. It opens the door to new experiences, ideas, and possibilities within our relationships by valuing and appreciating the unique qualities of our partner. We foster a deeper sense of connection and harmony in times of disagreement or conflict. Patience becomes even more crucial. It allows us to step back, take a deep breath, and approach the situation with a calm and composed demeanor. By practicing patience, we create space for effective communication, compromise, and finding solutions that honor both individuals' needs. By embracing diversity, cultivating understanding, and approaching differences with an open heart, we create an environment of respect, growth, and harmony. Patience allows to navigate challenges with grace, while acceptance fosters a sense of inclusivity and celebration of individuality within our relationships lesson. Number 7. Appreciate and be thankful for the good in your life. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform our relationships and overall well-being. In Buddhism, the cultivation of gratitude is seen as a way to shift our focus from what is lacking to what is present in our lives. By appreciating and being thankful for the good in our relationships, we can deepen our connection and find greater joy and fulfillment. Taking time to reflect on the positive aspects of our relationships allows us to shift our perspective and cultivate a sense of appreciation. It involves acknowledging the love, support, and companionship that our partners bring into our lives. By expressing gratitude for these qualities, we strengthen the bond and create an atmosphere of positivity. Appreciation and thankfulness also extend beyond our partners to encompass the broader aspects of our lives. By recognizing the blessings, opportunities, and experiences that come our way, we cultivate a sense of contentment and abundance. This mindset of gratitude allows us to approach our relationships with a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness. Practicing gratitude in relationships involves both verbal and non-verbal expressions of appreciation. It can be as simple as saying thank you for small acts of kindness or writing a heartfelt note expressing gratitude for the love and support received. By regularly expressing our appreciation, we reinforce the positive aspects of our relationships and create a cycle of positivity. Moreover, gratitude helps us stay present in the moment and savor the experiences we share with our partners. By being fully present and mindful, we can enhance our connection and create lasting memories. Appreciating the good in our lives also helps us navigate challenges with resilience and a positive outlook. Cultivating gratitude requires a conscious effort to shift our mindset and focus on the positive aspects of our relationships. It involves practicing mindfulness and regularly reflecting on the blessings we have. This can be done through journaling, meditation, or simply taking a few moments each day to count our blessings. By cultivating attitude, we shift our focus from what is lacking to what is present, fostering a deeper sense of connection, joy, and fulfillment. Expressing appreciation and practicing mindfulness allows us to savor the positive experiences and navigate challenges with a positive outlook. Gratitude is a powerful tool that enhances our relationships and enriches our lives. Number 8. Let go of past hurts and find it in your heart to forgive. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing and growth. Buddhism teaches us to let go of past grievances and resentments. By releasing the burden of past hurts, you create space for healing and reconciliation within your relationship. Forgiveness allows for a fresh start, enabling both partners to move forward together in resolving problems. Lesson. Number 9. Build and maintain trusting relationships. Trust forms the foundation of any healthy relationship. Buddhism emphasizes the cultivation of trust through honesty, integrity, and reliability. By building trust with your partner, you create a safe space where problems can be addressed openly and honestly. Trust fosters effective communication and problem solving, leading to the resolution of conflicts. Lesson. Number 10. Strive to become a better version of yourself. Buddhism encourages self-improvement as a means to contribute positively to the world. In relationships, personal growth is essential for the well-being of both individuals involved. By striving to become a better version of yourself, you inspire your partner to do the same. This shared commitment to growth creates an environment where problems are seen as opportunities for personal development and mutual understanding. Incorporating the spiritual teachings of Buddhism into your relationship can bring about profound transformations. By being present, showing kindness, accepting change, releasing attachments, communicating thoughtfully, practicing patience, expressing gratitude, forgiving past hurts, building trust, and striving for personal growth, you pave the way for the resolution of 100% of your relationship problems. Embrace these 10 Buddhism lessons with an open heart and mind, and watch as your relationship blossoms into a harmonious union, filled with love, understanding, and growth.